friends, welcome to my channel Mr. Indian All-Rounder. Today I am going to show you an unboxing video. So please watch till the end of the video. Here we have Magic Speed X52 High Performance Smart Drone. So this drone we have bought from Flipkart, the Big Billion Day special offer. Here you can see the features of this drone. This drone is available in 4 camera qualities. So this drone is of 1080 pixel HD camera. So here you can see the 3 colors of this drone. So here you can see the DJI drone like look. So this is the instruction manual, you can read it. So here you can see the app for which you have to download this to live telecast. So here you can see the drone. So this drone has an superb look. You can see this 4 propellers. Here we have gimbal for our camera to stabilize our video. And you can see here we have mobile holder clip. And you will get an propeller guards. This is our 180 pixel camera. And you will get 2 extra propellers, 1 screwdriver and 1 charger. And you can see these are 2 landing gears with some screws. And this is our remote. This is up, down, left, right. This is forward, backward and sideways. So for this remote you have to buy 4 cells. So we will insert this and show you. Here we have inserted the 4 cells. So let's fix the parts of the drone. Here we can see we have fixed the 2 landing gears, and now we will fix the propeller guards. Here we have fixed the 4 propeller guards. You can see it's looking very big drone. Here we will open this packet. Here you will get 2 extra propellers. And you will get this charging port and 1 screwdriver. Let's fix the screw for this propeller guards. Here we have fixed then 4 screws. Here is the battery port. You can see this is 1600 mAh battery. It will give you long flight time. And we will connect this battery. Now the battery is connected with the drone, and let's insert it inside. Now we will close this. And here you can see the look of this drone. Here you can see the lights. We'll off this. We will fix the camera. First we should fix the gimbal. Here we will fix our HD camera. And we will connect this wire to here. Here you can see we have fixed this camera, and you can see the look. We'll keep it at the side and we will fix the mobile clip for this remote. Here we have fixed the mobile clip, and now I will show you how to charge this battery using this. You should just connect this into this back side. This is now connected. You must put this into the charging port, and you can see that in this one red color LED light will on when the battery is charging. If the battery is full, then the LED will be off. We will download this app for our mobile. So let's scan this code. Here is iOS and Android. We should scan the code of Android. So you can see this, you have to install this app from Play Store. I have already installed this. So this is that app, and here you can see the settings. Go to settings, and if you are a left-handed, keep it as left or right, and you can select the language as English and come back. Now I will show you how to connect our mobile to our drone. First you need to on the drone. You can see the light is blinking. Now you need to on your remote and just up and down. Now you can see that the light has stopped blinking. Now you need to connect your drone to Wi-Fi. That's you need to on your mobile Wi-Fi. You can go and see in your settings. See, it's connected. You must click on this KY. Then you go back to your apps, drone app. Then you can click on start. You can see that the camera is clear HD. You can see it. Now I will show you how to fly this drone. Now I will tell you how to start this drone. You need to move your levers like this. The drone will be start. Now you just need to move this upwards. The drone will be start moving. You can see that. First you need to go to an open ground, then you can try this easily. You can see the stability of this drone. So if you want to off this, just click on this button. It will land. Thanks for watching.